2013 Lincoln MKT. The Lincoln MKT is engineered for extraordinary moments. The MKT offers best-in-class horsepower and V8 power with V6 fuel economy. Pair that with MKT's standard 6 airbags and advanced track with class-exclusive roll stability control, and you've got the total package. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, backup camera, navigation system, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, keyless start, 6-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.